Hey guys, and welcome back to the Tutorial Millennial channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you guys can listen and interact on a Twitter space. So like how you can listen to a Twitter space and how you can interact with the speaker or maybe the listeners there. Click on Twitter Spaces, which is here, and then find spaces that you want to sort of listen to. Maybe the fishbowl, and then you are just going to press start listening, and then here you can click on the 7 other listeners,
So
and
for me,
to request. For instance, you want to talk, you can press the request
I
button
tried
over
to get into
here,
a space,
but like
just to
sometimes
have
they
a chat
won't let
and
you
with like-minded
speak
people.
because like it's their space, but you're just going to
It was
be
about
a listener.
a few weeks ago,
You can also
and I couldn't get on,
see
and
over
then I
here
just
like
didn't
the
bother
host,
because it was
co-host,
difficult.
speakers, and the listeners.
Like you get
You
accepted
can
and you get
also
rejected, whatever.
press on this like
Just
button
recently
and
had
sort
a
of
child, and
react to
I had very
the
rare
space.
opportunities to
Maybe
talk to
this one,
someone
you
that
want
is
to
grown
add a
up to my
heart
wife
to it. You can do
or
that
my baby.
by double
Well, you
clicking
can
on
follow us.
the
We're usually
icon.
on here.
You can also
Look,
tweet about it by
will
pressing this
I
plus
will
button
put a
over
follow
here.
on.
Yeah,
How do I do
And
that?
press tweet.
It says fishbowl.
And to leave, just
if you
press the
follow
leave
me or
button over
Deborah, we're usually
here.
in the fishbowl.
And it's gonna show this. Did you have any technical issues in the space? All good. And that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!